Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blox Fruit Dating Sim. This unique experience is a fan-made visual novel, offering a completely different adventure from the action-packed Roblox game. Instead of battling, you'll immerse yourself in a story-driven world, interacting with familiar characters. It's designed to provide a fresh perspective on the Blox Fruits universe, focusing on personal connections and narrative choices. To begin your journey, navigate to itch.io, the primary platform where the Blox Fruits Dating Simulator is hosted. You have the flexibility to either download the game directly to your device, with versions available for Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems, or you can opt for the convenient browser-based play, allowing you to jump right in without any installation. The core gameplay revolves around a visual novel format, where you'll read through extensive dialogue and make choices that shape your interactions. With over 2,500 lines of text, every decision you make can impact your relationships with the various Blox Fruits characters. Your goal is to hang out with these figures, learn about their personalities, and foster meaningful connections through your responses. To truly master the Blox Fruits Dating Simulator, focus on exploring every dialogue option to uncover hidden narratives and character insights. Understanding each character's preferences will help you make choices that strengthen your bonds. Since there are many paths and potential outcomes, playing through the game multiple times is highly recommended to experience all the unique storylines and achieve every possible ending.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.